Lock in, because these are going to be the easiest marks you're going to pick up in your GCSE maths exam. In this question, we are asked to solve the simultaneous equations being 3x plus 2y equals 16 and x minus y equals 1. Now, the first thing to notice is that we cannot solve an equation when there are two unknowns. And what I mean by this is we have an x and a y. We don't know the value of it, so we can't solve it. But what we can do is we can rearrange one of the equations to be either x or y equals something and then substitute that back in. You'll see what I mean as the question progresses. Because there's two equations and we don't want to get confused, the first thing we want to do is to number the equations. So I'm going to call the top one 1 and the second one 2. The next thing you're going to look out for is which of these two equations is going to be easier to rearrange. By the looks of this, to rearrange 3x plus 2y equals 16, that looks like a lot of work because we've got 3's and 2's and it's too much. The second one, on the other hand, if we add y to both sides, we have x equals y plus 1, which is a lot easier to rearrange. Now that I've done this, I'm going to substitute the rearranged equation into equation number 1. Because we found out that x equals 1 plus y, all I do is, instead of the x, write in brackets 1 plus y. Expanding this out, I get 3 plus 3y plus 2y equals 16. Taking away 3 from both sides, I get 5y equals 13, and then dividing by 5 on both sides, I get y equals 13 over 5. Now, because we know what the y value is, we can substitute it back into one of our equations to find the x value. I'm going to substitute it into equation number 2, so I get x minus 13 over 5 equals 1, and then adding 13 over 5 to both sides, I get x equals 1 plus 13 over 5, which is 18 over 5. Now that we've found our two values, all we have to do is conclude that at the end, saying that when x equals 18 over 5, y is going to be 13 over 5. This question is worth 4 marks, and now you know how to get 4 out of 4.